sa race sa Davao 70.3, especially niya tantor kami. Kas kami makakuha last year sa Tribu Maisugun 2023. Tapos gito tawag nila na Maisugun, 11 tribes duduro.
As much as possible, nagtutulungan kami. Hindi lang ako ang tumutulong, halos lahat kami.
Just focus on yourself, focus on what you've been doing the past few months, and sure enough, you guys are gonna be happy with your results.
Nami-maintain lang namin yung sinasabing #1 team dito sa Pilipinas.
My message for the team is to trust the training that Coach Annie has been giving them and preparing them for the past few months. To forget about all the noise that they're hearing around. To not be pressured and to basically really just have fun.
Pamangnin bu na inshallah na maka-enjoy yo bu so race tinyo tanto pressure na ginawa nyo, enjoy nyo bu, tapos maka-perform ka no na biya maka-focus ka no.
And remember that why they're racing, for whatever purposes that they may have, everybody has their own individual purpose on why they're racing or why they're doing this or why they're trying to do their best.
Huwag kayo ma-pressure. Enjoy lang natin to, makuha or hindi makuha, at least we enjoy and we give it all. Siyala, mapita. Ugma. Siyempre sa everyday ng mga programs, sa mahaba ng mga training programs, puhunan talaga yung katawan. Pag hindi okay yung katawan, hindi in good shape, wala. Mahirapan tayo sa training.
It doesn't hurt me. Do you wanna feel how I feel? Do you wanna know that it doesn't hurt me?
Sa Sotawa, sumusuportar kami, so mga pamilya kami, gusto mga sponsor kami. Magulang na sumusuportar kami, lang na tawa kilay namin sumusuportar kami. Ito pakakuan kami, sige special race kami man lo.
Sometimes mentally dehydrated, no? Yung parang drain na drain yung utak mo.
But you try as much as possible to not be nervous about it, more excited and kind of control it. Try S&D Barracuda, defend the title.
Maka-motivate ka kang bunag, yung di pamikiran na kailangan na ma-defend namin. So, bugir kami sa bugar namin sa mga pamilya mi, sa mga supporters, para positive. So, resulta o resami. Gito ba ipipikir na kan para di siran madismaya o tunay mapikiriran da makuha. Pero inshallah, kumangin namin kuwan la makuha mi so may sugod.